Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Pension Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've provided you the knowledge about so many things. You have seen my motivational videos also, and you can go through my Fireside Chat videos. So today, I came up with a new resource of PCS Global. Right now, our EILP process is going on, and all over India, across pan-India basis, we are doing this EILP process because there are loads of people, the fresher candidates, the job seekers who is waiting for an opportunity. And PCS Global is the platform to start their career through this. So there are most of the people who has that skill set, who has that knowledge, but they are not getting the first platform. So through this EILP, the EILP, full form of EILP is Employee Internship Learning Program. We are providing you the opportunity. So, Chandabo is with us. Hi, Chandabo. This is Devamitra.
And thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
And
So,
it's nice
Chandabo,
to.
tell us about yourself.
So I'm hello. My name is Sharnava Karan, and I have done my BTech BSc from Meghnad Shahar, and this is my pass out year. And it has been 15 days, and since I joined PCS Global, and they
Okay.
have helped me to remove the fresher tag, and which I'm really grateful for that. And I have joined their ELIP program, and it has
Mm-hmm.
helped me the various like the knowledge that I'm lacking.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really grateful to join PCS Global.
So, having this 15 days training or 15 days journey with PCS Global, what is your experience about PCS Global, Chandabo? Like about our tech mentors, how they are providing you the training? Is it good? Like,
Yes, ma'am. It is good. Like they provide the in-depth training as well. Like
okay.
currently we are being trained on Java and SQL, and Shubhra sir is taking our classes.
Mm-hmm.
So he's really a good teacher, and I
Mm-hmm.
really like his teaching as well. And like I am learning new things, and as the days are going by, I am
Mm-hmm.
learning.
Okay, so are you enjoying this journey with Pieces Global?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I am really learning.
Okay, so have, are we able to make you happy? Like the frustration of not getting any job or in that kind of thing is it cleared from your mind?
Yes, ma'am. Like I have applied the resume on different kind of companies. Like they are get the skill requirement is really crazy. You know, like they are
Mm-hmm.
asking for 1 year or 2 year more plus experience people. Most of the companies I have
Most of the
applied.
companies are looking for 1 year, 2 years experience. We know the market scenario. That's why we are providing this opportunity. So, Chandaba, how many days in a week you are getting the classes?
It has been like 15 days from now, and except for the Saturdays and Sundays, of course. And,
Okay, so in 15 days you have got 5 days in a week classes. Like,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay, how many hours?
Like from 7 p.m. to 9, and mostly the Java classes, and
Mm-hmm.
from 8:30 to 9:30
Mm-hmm.
minimum for the SQL classes.
Okay. So, have you right now started working in any project within 15 days? I don't think so. Okay, you have not attended. Started. So, have you joined any town hall, like Saturday town hall?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm attending the everyday town hall, and I have already presented a project like the basic HTML and CSS. I made a form, and
Okay.
I presented to all my colleagues.
Okay. So, you have already presented the project. Great. Swarnabha, right now, where are you residing in Kolkata?
I'm living in Thakurpukur.
You're living in Thakurpukur. Okay, okay. So, are you visiting our office physically or you are doing the classes in online mode?
No, no, no. I am every day visiting the office, and right now I'm in office.
Oh, right now
Currently,
you're sitting in our Cosmo office.
yeah, yeah. I'm
Okay, can
attending.
you show us the office? Like our another people will see.
Uh,
Turn on the camera and the premise of. Is it possible for you?
yeah, this is the office right now. I'm sitting, and
Okay. How many people are there?
and right now it's Tridip sir and me, and we are only sitting, and there are Sushmita ma'am and outside, and follow studying there. So
Okay. Great. So, Sharnavo, after having this training and after joining this EILP process, what do you want to say to our candidates? I know 15 days is not very long time, but when you get that opportunity, you have that mindset that you know that what you have got from our side, like, right? Because you got the official documents also, what we have committed that you will get the joining letter and all. So, what you
yeah,
wanted to say to another candidates?
I would like to recommend the PCS Global to all my others, to all the people who wants to
Mm-hmm,
join. There are so many. I have seen my friends that they haven't got any job yet. So
mm-hmm,
I would like to recommend them PCS Global, because if they don't want to be a fresher and want to be a working IT professional
mm-hmm.
as in a company which is already providing the necessary resources for the self-development in the, and also for the upskilling program. And
Mm-hmm.
so I'd highly recommend this.
You will highly recommend PCS Global. Great. So, Shanabo, thank you for giving your valuable time. You're already sitting in our office. Great. And enjoy your working life. Okay.
Thank
So,
you, madam.
okay. So, bye for now. Okay.
Thank,
I will
thank,
get back to you any other time.
okay, thank you.
Okay. So, right now you can drop.